Welcome to Standing Deer. Today we will see how to interact with the Python console, default Python console or IPython console to retrieve any documentation of any modules and any function of that module. So even if you are having great trouble connecting to internet, you can really go and see everything about a function without just searching it on Google. So to do that, we will need a terminal. So you can use the default terminal on Windows. I'm using the Windows terminal application where you can just group different terminals in one place. I'm using Git Bash. You can also use command prompt or Windows PowerShell. This is the same in everyone. And the prerequisite is you have to install Python 3 and the above. Whichever version you have, it will work. And you should just declare the environment variable to the directory where you install the Python 2. It will help to just open the interactive Python console in your terminal. So we'll go first to the console, and to open the interactive Python environment, we have to type Python, and it will open the interactive Python environment in a second. My computer is taking some time, but it's generally faster. And we have come to the Python interactive console. So if you want to know about any module, what we can do is we can literally say help, and if we use any set of module in the Python default built-in library, that is math. So if we use the math library math library in this parentheses and run, what do you think what will happen? Let's see. There's a name error because the math is not defined, so we can't use the math in the help function. So we have to make it in string. And after waiting a time, it will give all about the math module. So it will say that this module provides access to the mathematical function, define the C standard functions, all the functions that you can see in here and more also. If you want to, you can see, like, you can enter and it will just return what the functions you can do from here. If you want to exit, you can just escape. You can exit and know everything about it. And suppose you want to know about a specific function in the math module, so you want to know a little bit about the functions in that module, so you can do that by calling that function module just like you call that in the Python file or Python script. So there's the same thing. If you want to know about the math, the py, what it does and what's its arguments or what it does generally, you can use it. Sorry, you have to import math first so that you can use that. And here you can see that. So what you can do with it, you can literally interact with this Python console and literally access any kind of documentation that you want. And it's really cool. If you are having a problem connecting to the internet, it's a great way to literally know about a function and implement it without any kind of barriers. So thank you very much for watching this video. I think and this simple tip will help you a lot, and it's a gem, I think. So thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please like, comment and share, and also comment if you have any question, and have a nice day.